To create a club in the Strava app, start by opening the app on your device. However, it's essential to note that creating a club is not possible on the mobile app, and you will need to visit the Strava website instead. Once you've logged into your account using your email and password, you'll see various options, including maps, record, groups, and more. At the bottom of the page, click on Groups, then select Clubs from the options that appear, which include active, challenges, and clubs. This will take you to the club search page, where you'll find a Create a Club button. After clicking on this button, you can choose to make your club public, allowing anyone to join, or invite only. As the club owner, you will have full control over the club, and it will be created automatically once you've completed these steps.